Catch me outside in the summer, like, it's hot out here, bitches, because I'm a hot bitch, period.
Sipping no toxic waste. On the low with your bitch in this grave. On the low, mask on her face. Jason, watching this that we in shape. If I come first, she gon' leave, escape. She go. I put 2 million in the safe, just in case. Don't go my way, no cap. My kids gotta have money, not just me. Back to selfish, and selfish. Oh, I take the crown off the king like Mike did Elvis. Oh, the world is wide. You dying, don't lie, they don't help. Wow, oh, your bitch wanna eat up the drip. Not help it. Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo, niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to the V. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all on the cheek. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the what, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG disease. Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Hey guys, good morning. Wait, it's not even morning. It's like 4 something, but I kind of just woke up. Yeah, last night was crazy, but I did have fun. We went to this hookah lounge. It's called Melodies. I have the meanest hangover right now. Woo. Took a lot out of me to take up the camera just now. But I'm here doing it for y'all. Maddie, why you tearing down everything? I don't know whose Sprite this is, but I'm taking it. I shouldn't be drinking soda. I should drink some fucking water. Oh well. I'm gonna clean up my room because it's looking like Hurricane Gilbert just passed through. And I need to wash Madison hair because I kind of took it out, the little braid she got. And I need to fold up some laundry that I have sitting for like a week or 2. But yeah, that's it for today. It's Monday, in case I didn't tell you guys. But y'all gonna know because it's already on the screen. Y'all. Yeah. Bye.
Losing track of space and time. I don't wanna go home looking for a reason to stay here all night. I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel. You wonder if I feel the same. The blood's rushing through your veins, and then when I say your name, bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down. Just go on and tell me, get into my eyes. I'm everything you need. I'm everything you need. You usually don't share any secrets. Suddenly you're in.
Hey guys, so I got me an Amazon package. And I got this like pantyhose sheer stocking. Because I guess this is a thing now to do the ball cap methods for your wigs. So I had to jump on that. And guys, guess what I had to repurchase? My freaking tumbler, because Madison and her dad decided like, okay, let's just break mommy stuff. So I had to repurchase it. So yeah, it's been a week since I broke it. And then I got a new tripod. At this point, I think I own every tripod sold on Amazon. But I'm just like a tech savvy type of person. I'm just always looking for the best things. So this, I could click my, damn, this is heavy duty as fuck. But yeah, I could like clip it, oh shit. I could clip this to like any surface or backpack, even though I'm not wearing a backpack, but I guess I'm a pocketbook. I'm just gonna be creative with this basically. But yeah, but I think I bought this mostly for my vacation because I'm gonna be going on zip line and stuff like that. So I got that. And why is it just stuck in one separation? Anyways, this is super heavy duty. I also got me a fan. Now listen. And it's like super freaking cute. And what I love most about this is that it has a mirror. Oh shit. But like I was saying, yeah, it has a mirror and it also has a light. And I don't think it's gonna turn on at the moment. Maybe it wants to be charged. Catch me outside in the summer, like it's hot out here, bitches, because I'm a hot bitch, period. And then I also got some mini butterfly hair clips. Like these, I used to wear these all the time back in the days. So I just got these from Madison and they're like super cute. I'm actually about to do her hair right now. But let me plug in this fan and see what's tea. And I still haven't got a chance to bring in my cameras in because like I'm vlogging and vlogging on my phone just don't cut it for me. But I really do need to bring it in, like no lie, I really do need to bring it in. And I need to blow my freaking nose. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. Yeah, so I bought some hair from this hair company called Nationality. They didn't even have the common courtesy to even put my shit in a box. And I've watched so many reviews and everyone got their shit in a box. But I realized, like, you know, they don't treat regular customers the same like how they treat people that's promoting their shit. It's raining like crazy outside. I was supposed to go to the city, but I don't really know if that's gonna happen because
why is the dirty garbage here?
you brought it in.
God.
It's spilling, it's spilling, it's spilling.
Take it.
What the fuck
Oh
is this?
my God.
What is this? So I just got back home from the restaurant and I also stopped at Bath and Body. And before I show you guys what I got, let's just talk about the restaurant real quick. So first and foremost, I found it on TikTok. One, aesthetic is on point, ain't no going around that. And I got shrimp tempura. So with that now, I'm not a sushi person. I'm not a sushi guru, a sushi connoisseur. So I don't really know much about sushi. But I don't know if it was supposed to be served cold or hot. I don't know. But don't get me wrong, it tasted good. And I'm going to give it a 8.5. I also got their signature drink. I forgot the name. Something teeny. and I'm gonna give that a 8.5 because it tasted more like juice. It barely had any liquor or anything, but the all-around experience was bomb. Like, my waitress, first of all, she fucking did that. Like, she's the best. We had reservation for 7:45 and we got our food like 5-10 minutes. Like, what? And mind you, the place was packed. And the fact that we got our food so fast was crazy. It was a great spot and great experience, and I'll definitely go there. And overall, I give the place 9 out of 10. Because y'all know these days, restaurants just be opening up to be all cute and the food be trash. Enough of the restaurant. We're going to get into Bath and Body. And like this Bath and Body, it wasn't even in a mall or anything. It was just like catch up on the side of the road. So I actually went inside for a champagne toast. And I really needed lotion because I'm running out. Plus, I didn't get to do my weekly Target stop because there's this lotion that I want to try. And then this is the butterfly. This one's new and it smells so freaking good. I got this like Pride one and it smells good too. And Madison's Dad got 3. I'm going to show y'all that. It's not really important. Then I got some wallflower. And I'm kind of mad they didn't have the one that I always get, which is Cactus Blossom. But the wallflower that I got is also in the Pride Love scent. And guys, I saw the cutest candle holder. Like, I've been on the hunt for a candle holder for the longest on Amazon, but I don't really see anything that's like aesthetically pleasing. So I saw this and I just had to. Like, it's really, really cute. And this is like the aesthetics in my room, like black, white, marble. It was like really, really cute. And wait, I could have sworn I bought a candle. I think I'm about to go to the hookah lounge like right now, like as we speak. If I do go, y'all gonna see some clips. If you don't see nothing, then a bitch went to sleep. And I also put on some lash strips because I felt like I was looking way too bare. And like, I'm missing my lash extensions. And I don't know when I'm going to ever get them done again. Because all 3 of my lash techs are booked out for the rest of May. So I'm going to have to wait till June.